Assalamualaikum. Hai, apa khabar semua? Today's video will be answering the question from one of our viewers. What would the person reply if the seat is taken? If you haven't watched that video, check it out here on the link above or in the description. The context will be at a cafe, or it could be at any restaurant or even where you need a seat. You see that there is an empty seat next to a person and you want to take it to another table where your group is. Similarly, like in the previous video, we will follow the same format. Jom mula. Let's start. The words used in today's lesson are Hai, boleh, can, saya, I, ambil or ambek, to take, kerusi, chair or seat, ini or ni, this. In the dialogue, I will use ambek instead of ambil to mean to take, because we use ambek more in conversational Malay. Next, maaf, sorry, kerusi, chair or seat, ini or ni, this, sudah or dah, already, ada, there is or there are or have, has, orang, people, duduk, to sit. Let's hear out the dialogue. First, with no transcript.
Hai, boleh saya ambil kerusi ni?
Maaf, kerusi ni dah ada orang duduk. Or,
Hai, boleh saya ambil kerusi ni?
sorry, dah ada orang. Now with the Malay transcript.
Hai, boleh saya ambil kerusi ni?
Maaf, kerusi ni dah ada orang duduk. Or,
Hai, boleh saya ambil kerusi ni?
sorry, dah ada orang. Now with the English translation.
Hai, boleh saya ambil kerusi ni?
Maaf, kerusi ni dah ada orang duduk. Or,
Hai, boleh saya ambil kerusi ni?
sorry, dah ada orang. In summary, you could answer either, maaf, kerusi ni dah ada orang duduk, or the shorter version, sorry, dah ada orang. Yes, we do mix English words in conversational Malay. That's the reality. Now it's time to practice. Look at the cue where the word you means your turn to say. Jom mula, let's start. Maaf, kerusi ni dah ada orang duduk. Sorry, dah ada orang.
Hai, boleh saya ambil kerusi ni? Hai, boleh saya ambil kerusi ni?
That's it. What do you think of today's lesson? If you have any question, do tell me in the comment section. I will try my best to make a video on it. And please don't forget to support the channel by giving a like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Until next time, terima kasih dan sampai jumpa lagi.